Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays, but they're known to have blinking, flickering, and power cycling issues. Understanding why these problems occur is the first step to fixing them. Based on repair data and user reports, monitor flickering issues fall into four main categories. Power supply problems account for 60% of cases, making them the most common cause. Cable and connection issues make up 25%, while hardware component failures account for 10%. Software and driver problems represent the remaining 5%. Power supply issues are the leading cause of Sceptre monitor problems. The most common culprit is internal capacitor degradation. These small components, like the one shown here, can fail over time, causing unstable power delivery to the display. This leads to unstable power delivery, which manifests as blinking, flickering, or complete power cycling. Faulty power adapters and loose power cable connections can also cause similar symptoms. The second most common cause involves cable and connection problems. Loose or damaged video cables, whether HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, can cause intermittent signal loss resulting in flickering. Incompatible refresh rates between your graphics card and monitor can also cause display issues. Outdated graphics drivers or signal interference from nearby electronics can contribute to the problem. Hardware component failures represent about 10% of flickering issues. The backlight inverter can malfunction, causing brightness fluctuations and flickering. The T-Con board, or timing controller shown here, manages the display timing. When it fails, you'll see various display artifacts, including flickering. LCD panel degradation and internal wiring problems can also cause similar symptoms. Before diving into complex repairs, try this quick diagnostic check. Power cycle your monitor by turning it off, unplugging the power cable, and holding the power button for 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power and check that all video cables are securely connected. This simple procedure has about a 40% success rate for temporary fixes and can help identify the root cause. The first step in fixing your Sceptre monitor is optimizing your display settings. Set your refresh rate to 60 Hz, which is the most stable setting for Sceptre monitors. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest versions. Outdated drivers are a common cause of display issues and can be easily fixed through Device Manager. Disable power management settings that allow the computer to turn off the display. These settings can cause intermittent flickering and should be turned off for stable operation. If the problem persists, test the monitor with different computers or video cables to isolate the issue. Try HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA connections to determine if it's a cable or port problem. Based on failure statistics, 60% of Sceptre flickering issues are power supply related. If other solutions don't work, check your power adapter voltage output or look for bulging capacitors inside the monitor. Finally, decide whether to repair or replace your monitor. If it's under 3 years old and repair costs are under $50, consider repairing. Otherwise, replacement might be the better option for long-term reliability.